Everybody, this is Chris from Assisted Living Southwestern Ontario. I hope you're doing well. So, although our day programs are actually closed at the moment, we are still running events daily on Facebook at 2 p.m. and then again at 6 p.m. We are running a variety of programs that you can all be welcome to join and take part. But you actually need to know how to use a program called Zoom. So today I'm going to teach you how to install and operate the program Zoom. So let's get started. So we're going to go on our web browser and we're going to put in the address www.zoom.us, and that will bring you to a website that looks like this. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we have to sign up. So we're going to go here in the upper right hand corner on the orange button, and we're going to hit sign up. It's free. It's going to bring you to here. You have to put in your birthday, so let's just make one up. May 4th. Let's go down here. 81. So there we go. Now you can either sign up for free by putting in your email address and hitting sign up, or just like in some of the other videos we've done, you can go in here and click sign in with Facebook, or you can sign in with Google if you use a Google account. So you can just click on that button. We'll sign up, and it's going to ask for permissions. You're going to say yes, continue as Chris, that's me. There. Welcome to Zoom. Create your Zoom account with your Facebook account. Yes. Okay, great. Okay, so it's going to come up like this. We can just X these out. Now you are actually a member of Zoom. Okay? So now that we're all signed up and we're a member of Zoom, we're going to go to a different website, and we're going to go to www.zoom.us/download. And that will bring you to this page right here, the Download Center. So there's a couple options here. You can download the client, which is an actual program that you can download on your computer, kind of like Skype in a sense. There's other things, plugins. You can download the Zoom extension if you use Chrome or Firefox. They're very handy. And even down here you can download for Apple in the Apple Store, or for Android you can download it at Google Play. But because of our events, I actually like to do it on my computer because it gives you a bigger screen to watch and take part in the activities. So what I'm going to do is go down here, or up here, at the very top, Zoom Client for Meetings. Okay, so we're going to click on Download. Down here in the bottom left corner, you see it is downloaded. It's called Zoom Installer EXE. And you can just click on that. And if you don't have that type of bar, you can just look in your downloads, and it should be there. That's the file you're looking for. So, okay, yep, just gave my computer permission. So now it's installing the app. It's connecting. Oh, and now it's all ready to go. Okay? So now that we're all registered and set up and we have the program installed either on your tablet or your phone, or like me here on my computer, all you have to do is go to our Facebook page. So here we are, this is our Facebook page, and we will post the link on the page. So this is from last week, 2 p.m. It was karaoke in the Zoom room. Okay, so all you have to do is click on this. A window will come up in your browser, and now it says up here, it says Open Zoom. We're going to agree to that and click Open Zoom. And now it's going to ask me, do I want to join with my own video or without video? So let's join with video. So it's connecting. Oh, and there's Danica. So we can say, hey Danica, so this worked. I don't think my video is working because I'm filming for this tutorial. But when you join normally, you can see if you put your mouse down here, so right now it says 2 participants. You can say start video. I'm not going to click that because then it might mess up this video. But usually you can hit start video and then everyone can see you. And then there's also here a mute button. So if my dog starts barking or something, I can just click mute. Oh, see, now I'm talking, Danica can't hear me at all. Okay? So you can click unmute. So we do various activities in here. We do karaoke. We're going to start doing weekly movies. So we ask that when you do join, if we're watching a movie, please mute your audio. But we have lots of events where you can come, you can see your friends, you can talk, and when it's all done, either Danica can shut down the session, or you can just go down here and press the button on the right hand side that's red, and you can just hit leave. So we're going to press that, say bye Danica, bye, see ya. So we're going to click this, and then click again, leave meeting, and that's perfect. So that's how you use Zoom. I hope to see you guys at our future events. Now it can get a bit confusing sometimes, so if you do have any problems, reach out to us on Facebook or other social media, or you can give Danica a call at the number on the screen, and either of us will be happy to help you out and get you started on Zoom. And like I said, I hope to see you at our future activities. We have a lot of stuff coming up, and it'll help pass the boredom while we're all stuck at home. Okay, so take care guys, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.